It's gone. It's gone now. Oh, it's gone. Yeah. Grandma sprayed it. It's gone. It's trapped behind the window now. Mm-hmm. It's gone. The fly's gone. I've never seen someone panic so much at the sight of a fly. What, you want to get down? It's safe now. If you could have crawled into my clothes, you would have, wouldn't you? When you saw that fly. We alright? We all good now? You're just not sure, are you? You know where it was. It's gone. It's gone. You want to come up and have a look? You want to go and have a look? I'll come with you. Yeah. Come on, stand up. Oh, okay. Come here. Grandma will come with you. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Yeah, it's in there. It's gone now. And I'm not going to open that window. It'll be on the bottom now. It's gone. Gone.
No.
Yeah, gone. Can't scare you anymore.
Gone.
Gone. Yes, gone. Oh, look, a bird. Look outside. Look at the bird. Do you see the bird? It's a bird! It's a bird! Oh dear, the fly's done it for you today, hasn't it? It's a bird! That's a bird! It's a bird, baby. It's a bird. It's a bird. Shh, shh, shh. It's a bird. It can't hurt you. It's a birdie. It can't hurt you. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh. Come on. All right, we won't see the bird. Let's move away so we can't see the bird. There's no birds. There's no flies. We have to shut the blinds now.